this a couple of times lately. That's classic. I'm glad that happened to you. I'm checking mine now. That happens to me in church.
That's even worse than here.
Oh yeah, my wife just absolutely. Oh Brian, what are we hunting today?
Big whitetails.
What type of whitetail you have got in the past?
Just typical 8-point. Nothing to brag about. Just a few bow kills.
Not a word. Ralph, what's the game plan, sir? I'm sorry. What's the game plan, sir? The game plan is for the young man here to kill himself an absolutely beautiful 8-pointer. That's the plan. And that's what we're going to do. So I promise you. Because he's probably with one of the best guides in South Texas. But it ain't me. Shot there. Just a little bit more. Okay, right there. Okay, now it's all yours. Yeah. Nice. Hey, nice shot.
Good shot.
Good shot. No, he's hurting, trust me. Yeah, nice. I stayed on him the whole way. Hey, nice shot, Brian.
Thank you.
Nice shot.
Real good shot.
Ralph,
man.
Man, Ralph, you are the best guy in South Texas.
I told you just to wait a little while, son. It'll be coming. You gotta be patient with this kind of stuff. When you get to be my age, you learn to be patient. That's my wife.
Yeah.
We'll give him a few minutes and we'll go look for him.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thanks.
Nice.
Good boy. Good boy.
How are those nerves? Having to wait?
Steady. Look at the hands.
Just steady like a rock.
I
I would have loved to have filmed you when you said, "Really?"
Yeah, that
You
was
didn't have the
classic.
camera on?
I don't know if I do or not.
It was like you guys are kidding me.
Yeah, no, I didn't think that was a shooter buck.
Oh,
Yeah, he is.
It's a nice deer.
That's a real nice buck. We're gonna beat the hell out of everybody on that one.
Hope so.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I told you, man.
That's it. All right, man. Ralph, what's the plan? We follow a knockdown cactus, huh? Starts to open up a little bit. Blood is scarce, guys?
Yeah, real scarce. Real scarce.
Man, he was hit solid.
Oh yeah, hit solid. There he is, right here.
Oh, there he is.
Let me get back off. Let me get back off.
Oh, ha, ha.
Check him out, man.
There he is.
Yeah, he's down.
He's down.
Are his eyes open or closed?
Open.
Open, he's dead. It's just easy. They come around, don't go through the front, just in case he gets up. You doing all right?
Yeah, he's
He's
down.
down?
Yee-hoo!
All right. Wow.
I think you barely see him laying there.
Oh yeah, he got hit up pretty well.
Knew he was close.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Ryan?
Great job. Great
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
job. Boy, you talk about it. Big old buckaroo, man. Looky here.
Big old body.
Looky there. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let me swing around and get on the other side, guys. Brian, I'm in a better position. Oh,
Yeah,
squat down.
yeah.
Squat down in there. Oh. Nice deer.
Nice, nice,
Beautiful deer.
nice.
That's a South Texas buck there.
Beautiful deer.
That's a pretty buck.
Biggest one I've ever shot.
Really? Solid animal. Solid,
Nice deer.
solid. Mature.
Beautiful deer.
Beautiful. You ain't lying.
Yes, sir.
He's got some good mass to him. Nice
Oh, yeah.
chocolate
Yeah,
chocolate horns there.
chocolate horns.
Trash down here.
Yeah.
Got a little bit.
You've been
Beautiful
rubbing.
deer.
Well, let's go get the truck.
Let's go get the
Alright.
truck.